Hello everyone, welcome to NITA CP YouTube channel. Today I am gonna solve question T1 of Codeforces round 747. The question name is Rubik cube coloring, and the problem statement says that we have a perfect binary tree of 2 per k minus 1 nodes. Like the definition of perfect binary tree is a binary tree where all vertices I from 1 to 2 per k minus 1 have exactly 2 children named as vertices 2i and 2i plus 1, and vertices from 2 per k minus 1 to 2 per k minus 1 don't have any children. Let's see what these two lines are trying to say. We have a tree. These nodes have exactly 2 nodes. This root node had exactly 2 nodes, and these child node have exactly 2 child node, except for this leaf node. These are leaf nodes. They have 0 children, and except for these, all others have 2 children. Yep. Let's recall a permutation and combination that I will be using my coding. Then if we have event A, the choices for event A is A, and choices for event B is B. Then if you want to occur both event at same time, then we have A into B choices. Okay, then let's proceed towards question statement again. Then we want to color its vertices with 6 Rubik colors. We have 6 Rubik colors like white, yellow, green, blue, red, orange. We have to choose one color from these which don't have neighbor. Like we are choosing white, then we cannot choose its neighbor color with white and yellow. We can choose any one of them. Then if you choose yellow, then we cannot choose white and yellow. We can choose these 4. Then let's proceed to our question. Then let's call a coloring good and all is connect with color or neighboring side Rubik cube. Then these are white cannot be neighbor with white and yellow colors. Then let's proceed towards solution. Then let's start coloring from uppermost root node. Then we have 6 choices for this because we have 6 colors. Then we have 6 choices for this. Then for this, let's try to iterate. Then if we choose a W here, we choose a white here, then we cannot choose these white and yellow. We cannot choose. We can choose 4 colors because we have 6 colors. Then we cannot choose 2. Then we can choose 4 colors. Then we can choose 4 for this, 4 for this, 4 for this, 4 for except root node. We can choose 4 for except root node. Then let's if you want to color all these at same time, then we have to take multiply of 6 into these two 4 into 4, these 4 into 4, like 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. For n is equal to 1, this 6. For n is equal to 2, this 4. For n is equal to 3, these 4 into 4. Then let's do the math here. Go to the name. Then we have 6 into 4 into 4. It's for 1, it's for 2 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. It's for 3 and into 4 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 into 4. 8 times. Then let's try to make pattern. Like here it is 16. Here it is 16 into 16. Here it is 16 into 16 into 16 into 16. Then 16 occurring here 1 times, here 2 times, here 4 times. Then let's proceed toward the my implementation. Here I am taken the input n and I am initializing answer as 6ll because we don't want to take these leaf node, these root node with this root node with the my iteration. Then I have chosen answer is equal to 6 for n is equal to 1 and value is 16 because we are trying to take pattern with 16. Then I have chosen 16 and I am iterating through 1 to n minus 1. I am leaving this one. I am iterating through 1 to n minus 1 and I am assigning my answer value as answer is equal to 6 and I am assigning answer is equal to 6 into this 4 into 4 means this 4 into 4 is my value, means 16 is my value. For next we will assign my answer as answer into value of next and I will increment my value is equal to val into val. For each iteration the value of VAL is VAL into VAL and we have to take mod because number is very large. Then we will take mod. Then finally we will take answer of my answer. Finally we will print answer.